Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into Trimble, the powerhouse behind smarter construction, surveying, and geospatial projects. So whether you're a contractor, engineer, or tech enthusiast, Trimble's tools help you plan, design, and build with unmatched accuracy and efficiency. From 3D modeling to real-time data collection, we will explore how Trimble is transforming the way the world builds. So let's begin. Now, Trimble is one of the best construction software that offers powerful tools to help you plan, measure, and manage projects with precision. Trimble offers all these software solution plans for you. Number one is going to be the construction. It provides hardware and software to plan, design, manage building, or infrastructure projects. Because with this, it offers 3D machine control for earth moving and paving equipment, building information modeling or BIM software, project management, and cost estimating tools, wherein contractors, architects, engineers, and surveyors use all these to improve accuracy, reduce rework, and shorten project timelines for things like roads, bridges, and commercial buildings. Now, the next in line is we have the Geospatial. It focuses on capturing, analyzing, and visualizing spatial data. It offers high-precision GNSS or GPS survey equipment, 3D laser scanners and imaging systems, mapping and GIS or Geographic Information System software, because surveyors, mapping professionals, utilities, and researchers use these a lot. It provides ultra-accurate location and measurement data for everything from land surveying to utility network mapping. Now we have is the transportation. Trimble helps companies move freight and manage fleets more efficiently. Because for one, fleet management and telematics tracking, vehicle location, fuel use, driver behavior, plus transportation management software including route planning, scheduling, compliance, freight brokerage, and supply chain visibility tools. Now, trucking companies, shippers, logistic providers are the target market because it reduces fuel costs, improves safety, and keeps shipments on schedule. And then we have the government. Now, the government provides technology solutions for any public sector agencies and agendas. For example, you can have land administration and property boundaries system like public works, assessment management, disaster response, and emergency management mapping tools. It offers all these efficient infrastructure management, property record keeping, and resource planning for communities. That's why national, regional, and local governments use this a lot. And then we have the national resources. It supports industries that manage land and environmental assets, offering agriculture technology like precision farming, automated guidance systems, forestry management, and logging solutions. Because it provides access to mining and quarrying survey control systems. Now, farmers, forestry managers, mining operators, and environmental agencies use this a lot because it maximizes yield, ensures sustainable use of resource, and enhance safety in remote operations. Now, Trimble empowers the world's essential industries driven by relentless innovation and precise positioning, 3D modeling, and data analytics, with a focused growth in construction, geospatial, and transportation. The numbers speak for themselves. There's also a standalone feature from Trimble, which is going to be the Trimble AI. Now, Trimble AI is the artificial intelligence on the Trimble ecosystem. It offers software, hardware, and services to improve productivity, decision-making, and automation across industries like construction, surveying, geospatial, transportation, and logistics, plus agriculture. Because it uses AI to automate repetitive tasks, augment the workforce. For example, it helps people work more efficiently rather than replace them. improving safety and extract more value from large or complex data sets. Now, Trimble bundles different software and hardware tools into suites. Okay, so teams can get everything they need for a specific job. For example, if you go to the suites overview, you have a lot like Trimble Construction One, Trimble Unity, and Trimble TMW.Suite. I'm not gonna go here one by one because we have a separate video for that, but think of it as an all-in-one toolkit tailored to your trade, like for example, civil engineering, MEP, or general construction. Similar to that, you also have the 3D modeling in BIM. Okay, so it covers the building information modeling or BIM and 3D design. You have a SketchUp, Tekla structures, Fabrication smart tools, SysQ, Map content, Trimble Business Center, Tekla, Structural Designer, and a lot more. Now, it lets architects, engineers, and contractors create detailed digital models of buildings, bridges, or infrastructure. Popular Trimble tools are here so that you can get fewer errors and better collaboration since everyone works from the same detailed 3D plan. Of course, you have the building construction field systems. You have all these: Trimble RI, Trimble X9, Trimble Reality Capture Platform, Trimble Site Vision, Trimble Field Link, Trimble R780, Trimble Catalyst, Trimble RealWorks, and Trimble RCS series, because these are hardware and software solutions used on job sites. You have these to help crews precisely lay out points, measure as-built conditions, and keep field data synced with office plans. And then you have the estimating and takeoff, wherein these are going to be tools for figuring out how much a project will cost before construction starts. You have the takeoff means measuring quantities like how many cubic meters are concrete, how much steel directly from digital drawings so you can create accurate bids and budgets. You have all these tools for you. Matter of fact, we have a separate video on Trimble AccuBid. Okay, you might want to check that, please. And as you may notice, you can estimate with confidence using the product here in Trimble. And of course, let's not forget that there is going to be the fabrication planning and management. You have these softwares so that companies that prefabricate parts like steel beams, ductwork, modular walls before they reach the job site. Trimble software helps design the components, plan the cutting or welding, track materials, and manage shop production to reduce waste and delays. And then there is going to be the field service management. These are going to be the software meant for businesses that dispatch crews to customer sites like HVAC, repair, or utility maintenance, because it handles scheduling, routing, mobile work orders, and real-time status updates so managers know where technicians are and what's done. And then there is going to be the financial management side of Trimble. These are going to be the tools to plan timelines, share documents, track exchanges, and communicate between office staff. You have Vista until Trimble Materials. Now, it helps everyone on the same schedule and, of course, reducing miscommunication. And then you have the supply chain tracking safety. You have all these solutions to track materials, equipment, and compliance, helping you monitor where shipments or heavy machinery are. It ensures deliveries arrive on time and manage safety records, inspections, and regulatory equipments. And when, with that being said, you also have the project management. These are, again, tools so that you can communicate in real time. And then there is going to be the surveying and mapping. These are going to be some softwares that covers the GNSS, GPS receivers, total stations, drones, and software to collect and process geographic data for land surveying, construction staking, and mapping. And then last is going to be the platforms. All right, so these are going to be the cloud-based platforms ecosystem that let all these tools share data in real time. You have Trimble Connect, App Exchange, because they provide backbone for collaboration, secure storage, and integration with other software like Autodesk and Microsoft 365. And with that being said, and that's it for today's video on how, and basically that's a quick start with Trimble software. If you And that's it for today's video with a quick start with a Trimble software. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any latest notification. And that's it for our quick start with a Trimble software. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss more guides from our channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.